Yeah, hi.
How are you?
Yeah, I'm doing good. How are you?
I'm also fine.
Okay.
So introduce yourself.
Yeah. I'm Sustri Aisha Tripathi. I did my BTech in 2012 in Electronics and Telecommunication branch from Biju Patnaik University of Odisha. So I started my career at 2000 in 2018. As a senior analyst. Then after 2 years of experience, I dropped from the job because of some personal issue. Then I want to start my career again now. So I want to start in manual testing. That's why I started this training for manual testing.
Okay. So in which kind of software application traffic is more, B2B or B2C?
It's in B2C,
Okay.
business to customer.
Okay. So what is a software development life cycle? Explain all the steps.
Okay. Software development life cycle is a step-to-step procedure of to develop a product or an application. This is a complete plan of how to planning, creating, and developing, testing, and deploying of a product. The main purpose is to develop a software or application within a specific period of time. This is the software development process is going through different types of phases like requirement gathering. In requirement gathering, the basic basic and basic ideas they will gather the company will gather from the customer. Basically, mainly the business analyst or project manager will gather these informations, basic information from the customer, and that how to build the software, or what is the need of the customer they wants to know, and they will prepare according to that. They will prepare the software requirement specification or customer requirement specification document. So after that, the feasible study phase is coming. And in feasible study phase, the whole team of the team of HR team, the finance team, and the technical team, they will decide. Um, yes, they will prepare the document of software requirement specification. Then after the design phase will come. In design phase, the architect will prepare the whole design, and that is the high level design and the low level design. Then the main part of the development part is coming. In the development part, the developer will prepare the source code from the HLD and the LLD, and they will prepare the source code. After the source code of the application is done, the testing team will test the source code. So if they will find any mistake, then they will assign they will assign the bug or mistake to the developer team. The developer team will fix that. Then they will send back to the testing team. After that, the deployment will start. When the product is prepared, then they will release the product to the production server. And in the production, after the production server, the maintenance phase. In the maintenance phase, the developer will start the maintaining maintain when there is some error coming, or some defect is coming from the customer sides, the developer will fix them, or any enhancement they will need, that will fixed by the developer. So this whole process is called software development life cycle. Sorry, I cannot hear you. You are in mute.
Okay. What is spiral model?
Okay, spiral model is one of the model that the companies will follow to uh, develop a software. And spiral model is iterative or incremental model. In this, some specific activities will done um, by the by the developers to prepare a part of software. Uh, in a specific spiral, and this activities will keeps going on in every spiral, repeated again and again, till the entire software is built. So this in this development is fast. In spiral model, the development is fast, and we can add more and more requirements in a specific way.
Okay. So what is the
Sorry.
prototype model?
Prototype model. In prototype model, the company will prepare a dummy model, and they will the dummy model of the requirements, from the requirements, and they will provide this model to the customer. The customer will check the models. If they want to add some other requirements, or they want to do any modification, they will do on that model. And then the total development process and testing process will start after that. In this model, the customer has a clear picture or a clear idea about the project. They will get the clear idea of the project.
Okay. What is the disadvantage of a prototype model?
um, Actually, there is no more disadvantage of this model, but this will take more time, or it's a time-consuming process, or at the final, the money is matter for everybody, so it's costly.
Okay. What is a VNB model?
In V&B model, this is verification and validation model. In this, the developers and the testers will work parallelly. So when the CRS and SRS documents are ready, then the tester will the tester will review the documents and prepare the test case and test scenarios. After that, the HLD, and in the design phase, the HLD and LLD models are LLD documents are ready. Then and then the testers also review the documents and prepare the system scenarios, or the system test case. Then after design phase, the um, b- um, the build is ready. After the build, the white box testing is done. And then after all the testings, after getting the build, all the types of testing like smoke testing, component testing, integration testing, and system testing are done by the tester. So this is called verification and validation. So in verification phase, they will verify all the documents and prepare the test case and test scenarios. In validation, they will do the actual testing.
Okay. So what is the difference between test scenario and test case?
Test scenarios are the actual activities of an user which may undertake when they use it, and they use the application. And test scenarios are the set of conditions to check the functionality or the feature of an application. Test scenarios are derived from high level design test case and high level design documents. And the test case are derived from the low level design documents. Test scenarios are taking less time to prepare, and test case are taking more time to prepare. Test scenarios uh, test scenarios are mainly prepared to mainly saying that how what to test. And the test case are mainly saying that how to test.
What is difference between white box testing and black box testing?
So black box testing is the type of testing where where the re- where they will test the application without checking the internal code of the without checking the internal code of the software. And white box testing is the type of testing where the internal code where we will test actual internal code.
Okay. Who does the black box testing and who does white box testing?
The testers will do the black box testing and the developers will do the white box testing.
Eh, What is different types of black box testing?
Different types of black box testing are system testing, component testing, integration testing, or smoke testing. First we'll do the smoke testing.
Okay, explain all.
So all the testing you want to know. You
Yes, you explain
okay.
all those testings.
As the smoke testing is done after we getting the build, the smoke testing will be done. This is the type of testing where the basic and critical functionality of an application is test by before the regression test. It is done with the unstable build. The smoke testing will done with 100% passing rate. And this is um, this is done with only with the positive scenarios. And component testing, when we will test the components of the applications, like the text field or any radio button or these things of an application, that is called component testing. All the positive and negative scenarios we can test. And integration testing, in integration testing we will test sorry in integration testing we will test the data flow from one module to another module, or to many modules. We will test that. And in system testing, we will test from end to end test. We will do the end to end testing, where the testing environment testing server is same as the production server.
Okay, what is test case design techniques?
Test case design techniques so is basically used to write the test scenarios to get the 100% test coverage. We use those techniques. Basically we use equivalence partitioning test case design technique and boundary value analysis testing technique.
Okay, what is agile model?
As agile model, actually in agile model it is one of the iterative and incremental approach where where the company should be flexible to adopt the changing in requirements of development and testing and deployment. This is the model where um, uh, we have to um, prepare a software within a specific period of time.
Okay, so what is Scrum?
Scrum is a set of rules and regulations that the developers and testers will follow to working in a common goal. And there are it is a set of meetings and tools and some uh, mm, yeah, some tools and some sets of meetings, and everybody will do work in a particular will follow the rules and regulations. That is called Scrum.
Okay, what is sprint planning meeting and bug triage meeting?
Sprint planning meeting is conduct in the first day of the sprint, in the starting of the sprint, and this will conducted by the Scrum Master, where the Scrum Master will call all the team members like business analyst or project manager, developers and testers. They will plan what to do and which task they will going to do within that particular sprint. And the next, what you ask me?
Mm,
Bug triage
Bug
meeting.
triage meeting.
Okay. In bug triage meeting, the bug triage meeting is conducted by the QA lead with the Scrum Master, where they will decide uh, which uh, which bugs they will going to be add in the upcoming sprint from the bug bucket. This is actually happens within after every 3 or 4 sprints.
Okay, what is regression testing and the types of regression testing?
Regression testing is the type of testing where we will test the unchanged feature of an application due to some changes, like new feature is added or any feature will removed, or bug fix, um, or code modification. We will test the impact of these new changes to the existing features. And the types of testing, regression testing, are unit regression testing, regional regression testing, and the full regression testing.
Okay, what is unit regression testing and explain all the types of regression testing?
In unit regression testing, first we will do impact analysis meeting. In impact analysis meeting, we will ask the developers or the business analyst that which part is impacted the new changes of due to the new changes in the application, which part is impacted in the application. So if they will guide us, if they will tell that the impact impact uh, of the change is only in a particular unit, then we will test the particular unit only. So that is called unit regression testing. If the impact is only for a geographical region, then that is called regional testing unit, regional regression testing. And if the impact is if we don't know what is the impact, then we have to do all the testings like component testing, integration testing, and system testing. Then that is called full regression testing.
Okay, who conducts the impact analysis meeting?
That is generally senior tester, uh, or if senior tester is not there, then the tester will conduct that.
Okay, what is a software testing life cycle? Mention all the
software te-
steps.
Software testing life cycle is the life cycle of all the testing activities done in the uh, mm, in the application. So first to so mm, yeah. First, we should understand the requirements. We should understand the requirements. Then we'll prepare the test plan. Then we'll identify the test scenarios from them. Uh, we'll document the test scenarios. Then we'll yeah, then we'll prepare the test case, and sending the test case for the review, then providing the review comments, receiving the review comments, and then fixing the review comments, then the test case approval. After getting approval the test case, we will store the test case in and then we'll prepare the traceability matrix. After preparing the traceability matrix, we will execute the test case. Then we'll do the defect tracking. After defect tracking, we will prepare the test case report. After test case report, we will do the sprint retrospective meeting. This is the phase of software testing life cycles.
What is the traceability matrix and who prepares it?
Traceability matrix is prepared by the senior tester, and this is to mapping the requirements with the test scenarios. We will ensure that all the requirements are covered in the test scenarios. Basically, the positive scenarios we will write here.
Okay, what is the test plan?
Test plan is a document prepared by the prepared by the team lead, where all the plan of testing activities will mention. Then it helps the developers um, and the testers testing team to do the testing activities better in a better way. It is quite through tell us about the nature of the testing activities and the outcome expected outcomes come from this. This is used to this is used to simplify the review process and the transparency of the testing activities. So the can I explain the attributes also, or
Yes, yes,
okay? So it consists of some different activities, some different attributes um, like like aim, or aim of the test plan. They will the objective of the test plan. They will mention the objective of the test, the aim of the test plan, what they will going to do. And then on the scope will highlighted how to do the test. And then they will do the test methodology. Then after test methodology, then approach, they will say the what type of approach we should follow in the testing activities. So there are different types of approach we should follow, which whatever where our company will follow, we should follow that. That is written in the test plan. So after that they will approach, then after risk factors, they will mention the risk factor on that. Then backup meetings, then scheduling, then the roles and responsibility of every member of the team, and entry and exit criteria. Then the test template, and then test automation. Then after deliverable, and the testing environment, they will mention all the attributes in the test plan. And this test plan helps to do the testing activities, and we can understand it highlighted the scopes and what to do in the testing process. It highlighted those points.
okay. What is release notes and what are those it consist of?
Release note is prepared by the company at the end of the project, where they will mention some points like it is a document prepared by the company. And they will mention that which new features are added in the project and which old features are removed, which how to install the software, how to uninstall the software, which bug are fixes, and the release version. And they will mention the uh, which bugs we release to the production servers. They will mention that also.
Okay. What is bug leakage?
Bug leakage is the when the bug is released to the production server unintentionally, then that is called bug leakage. It may be any priority or any severity, because the team don't know about the leakage.
How to fix a bug release bug in bug leakage if it is of high priority?
Yeah. If it is a high priority, then we will do the hot fix activity. The developer will do the hot fix activity. In the hot fix activity, uh, they will the bug will raised by the tester immediately and assigned to the developer. The developer will fix that within maximum one day. They will fix that.
Okay, what is the procedure to do hot picks?
Sure. Procedures. Mm, that I don't know.
Okay, okay, what is the performance testing?
Performance testing is the type of testing where the stability and response time of the application by applying load, you will check the stability and response time of the application.
Okay, what are the principles of software testing?
Yeah, principle of the software testing. Yeah, we followed those some principles. So uh, it is we should not do the exhaustive testing. We should do the testing in based. We should follow the concept of pesticide paradox and defect clustering. We cannot deliver the software uh, 100% error free. We should start the testing from the earlier stage, and uh, we should follow the concept of absence of error fallacy.
And what is a bug life cycle?
Yeah, bug life cycle is a set of states of when a bug is raised by the tester. The bug life cycle will start. It is a set of states of a bug in different phases. So when the bug raised by the tester, then that is marked as open or new. The tester will assign the bug to a developer, and the developer will going to fix it. If the developer will fix it, sorry, if the developer will fix it, then it is marked as uh, marked as fixed. The status will marked as fixed. If he can't fix it, then the tester will mark the bug uh, as reopen, and then he will assign the reopen bug to the developer again. And this activities is going on till the bug is fixed. Sometimes the developer will mark the bug as it won't fix or duplicate, or it don't we cannot reproduce. Like this, the bug life cycle is going on.
Okay, Aisha, thank you. We have answered very much perfectly. You can
Okay.
get a job. Still, there is scope for improvement. Watch your mock session.
Okay. So, what type of improvement I should do? Can you
You
please
watch
explain?
various YouTube videos of mock interviews as well as all other mock interviews posted in GrowTech Minds app, as I said you before.
Yeah,
And also,
because I knew it last night,
okay,
so I didn't get much time to prepare.
okay, still it's great.
Okay.
Thank you.
So, okay. Can you tell me, please, where the KT sessions are going on?